What's up guys, this is Mike at Get Lower. Today we're checking out the Bassani 2-in-1 Road Rage exhaust system, which we have installed here in our 2004 Night Train. Bassani offers the Road Rage for a wide variety of fitments, including the Sportster, FXR, Dyna, Softail, and Touring models, so most likely there's an option available for your Harley. For our Softail application, we have the choice of either long or short muffler and a chrome or black finish. We opted for the short muffler with the black heat shields, which looks right at home on our Night Train. Included with the exhaust, you will receive mounting hardware and all necessary brackets. Keep in mind you do need to reuse the original exhaust flanges and gaskets from the OEM or pick up some new ones. Installation is pretty straightforward and the process isn't too bad with a little patience. Made in the USA, the Bassani Road Rage 2-in-1 exhaust provides an upgrade over stock by the way of an 1 3/4" head pipe that steps up to 1 7/8" into the collector to increase flow and improve performance. There's also a removable spiral core louvered baffle included. Now let's get to the good part. We put together some stock and aftermarket sound clips that will show you just how big the improvement is with the Road Rage exhaust. Like all products at GetLower.com, we'll ship this exhaust fast and free anywhere in the lower 48 states. If you have any questions or comments, definitely let us know in the section below. This is Mike from Get Lowered. See you next time.